Ok, chẳngថ្ងៃនេះគឺខ្ញុំមានវីដេអូមួយទាក់ទងការដែលយើងសិក្សាអំពី cos ហើយនិង sin graph comparison ណាទាក់ទងការប្រៀបធៀបខុសគ្នារវាង graph អនុគម sin នេះអនុគម cos នេះបាទអញ្ចឹងនៅទីនេះមកយើងសង្កេតមើលឃើញ sin for sin here the graph is start from 0 and move until 1 and less than 1 and until here okay. But for the graph for cosinus, we start from 1. It's not start from 0 like sin. You see, 1 and 2 pi, 2 pi and then 2, 3 pi. You see the graph for y equal cos h, and this one the graph for y equal sin h. The formula is you want to plot a graph of cosinus. The first one you need to find the formula first. And you need to find the amplitude of the function, the number of cycle that the interval is start from 0 until 2 pi. If you find the b value here is more than 2 pi, it's mean that your answer is not correct. The formula of cos function, you need to take 2 pi over b. This is the formula of period function. And we need to take 2 pi over b. Example here is b equal to, it means the period here is equal pi. Okay. Let me go to see the example. Okay. For the cosine function, example like if you want to plot a graph y equal cos h. The first one we need to know about amplitude a equal 1, y equal 1. 1 in here is 1, but no need to write because 1 is no meaning. And then y b equal 1. B is the number after h, so b equal 1. If you want to find a period, the formula of cos here, we need to take 2 pi over b, and here is the, if you have b equal 1, the period equal 2 pi over 1 equal 2 pi. Let me see about the graph. The graph here is the, we studied already about the cos graph. For the cos graph we start from 1. See, 1 is not start from 0 like sin. Okay, let me see this graph. This is the 1. Okay, 1 and go to 90 and go to pi and go to until 2 pi. The period here equals 2 pi. This is 2 pi. See, we just notice that if you saw the period is equal to pi, the red straight line should be here. Understand? The red straight line should be here. It's 2 pi. So you can plot start from 1 to pi and then move to 2 pi. Then the first one we start from increase and go to decrease and go to increase again. Okay, let's see in the graph. Okay, let me check for y equal cos 2h. The first thing we also need to calculate the amplitude a the same. So if from a equal 1, we call is 1, right? Amplitude we see the number before cos, after cos, before cos, sorry. And the cycle b equal 2. Y equal 2 because this one is 2, right? So b equal 2. And then we need to find the period of the function. We need to take 2 pi over b. H over b equal 2 is the period equal pi. So let's do now. See, you see a equal 1. We start from here 1 and move here until pi. You see if the period here equal pi, the red straight line should be here pi. See, the red straight line is the put until period. Okay, if your period equal pi, the red straight line here should be like this. See, if your period equal pi over 2, the red straight line should be like this in here. Understand? Okay, let me check for another function is y equal minus 2 cos 3h. If we want to find the amplitude a equal 2, actually the amplitude here equal minus 2, but for this the value it should be 2. We cannot negative number, should be positive, and the cycle b equal 3. And if you want to find the period, we need to take 2 pi over b. So it means 2 pi over 3. You see, this one is 2 pi over 3. Is it the red straight line? The red straight line is mean what? The period. So it means we start from 0 here until 2 pi over 3 is a period, and move from 2 pi over 3 to 440 is also the period. We just noted that if you see the red straight line in here, we can conclude that is the period. Yeah, okay. But one exam, you can write down only until here is okay. Two, you can write only the red straight line until 2 pi over 3. No need to write until 2 pi. Okay, because what? Because the period here is equal to pi over 3. Okay, for the function y equal minus 2 cos 3x. Okay. Thanks for your watching in this video. If you have any question, please comment in below. Thanks.